Welcome back to Need to Know. In our previous videos, we explored two essential ingredients in bread making, flour and yeast. Today, we're diving into the next crucial element that brings everything together, water. You might think, it's just water. But trust me, there's so much more to it when it comes to making the perfect loaf of bread. Let's get started. Water isn't just about combining ingredients, it's the life force of bread making. It hydrates the flour, activates the yeast, and creates the dough structure. Without water, there's no dough. Simple as that. Water plays a key role in 1. Hydration. It allows flour proteins to form gluten, which gives the dough its elasticity and strength. 2. Yeast activation. Yeast needs water to wake up, feed on sugars, and produce the carbon dioxide that makes your bread rise. 3. Temperature control. The water temperature can affect dough fermentation speed. Too hot, and you might kill the yeast. Too cold, and the process slows down. Now, let's talk about water types. Believe it or not, the kind of water you use can impact your bread. Tap water. Generally fine for most bread, but hard water with high mineral content can strengthen gluten too much, while soft water might make the dough weaker. Filtered water. Great for controlling impurities and chlorine, which can affect yeast activity. Distilled water. Lacks minerals, which can affect yeast performance. If you use distilled water, consider adding a pinch of salt or mineral supplements. So the best option. If your tap water tastes good, it should work well for bread making. Otherwise, filtered water is a safe choice. Accurate measurement is key. Too much water makes the dough sticky and hard to handle, while too little can result in a dry, crumbly dough. Follow your recipe closely, but don't be afraid to adjust slightly based on the flour type or humidity in your kitchen. The temperature of your water matters a lot. For active dry yeast, aim for 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 to 43 degrees Celsius. For instant yeast, room temperature water works fine. If you're doing a long, slow fermentation like sourdough, cold water slows everything down, which can improve flavor development. Here's a fun fact. The amount of water used in a dough recipe is called hydration. Higher hydration doughs, like ciabatta, are wetter and result in open, airy bread. Lower hydration doughs, like bagels, are firmer and chewier. So, water isn't just an ingredient. It's a tool to control your bread's texture and structure. Water may seem simple, but as you've seen, it's a powerful player in bread making. It impacts everything from texture to rise to flavor. Experiment with different types of water and temperatures to see how they affect your loaves. In our next video, we'll explore another vital ingredient, salt. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Need to Know. See you next time.